Double-hung windows are a popular choice for homeowners because of their classic style, ease of use, and versatility. However, like any part of your home, they need regular care to perform well year-round. In a place like Layton, where weather conditions shift with the seasons, proper maintenance helps protect your windows, improve comfort, and extend their lifespan. Preparing double-hung windows for colder months as temperatures drop, it's important to make sure your windows are sealed properly. Check for drafts by running your hand along the edges of the window frame. If you feel air coming through, worn weather stripping may be the issue. Replacing damaged seals helps keep cold air out and warm air inside, improving comfort and reducing heating costs in Layton homes. Also inspect the locks to ensure both sashes close tightly and securely. Cleaning and inspecting in early spring is an ideal time to give your double-hung windows a thorough cleaning. Dirt and debris can build up in the tracks and affect smooth operation. Remove the sashes if possible and clean the tracks with a soft brush or cloth. While cleaning, inspect the frames and sashes for signs of wear, cracks, or moisture damage. Catching minor issues early prevents bigger problems later in the year for Layton homeowners. Improving ventilation during warmer weather. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their ability to improve airflow. Opening the top sash allows warm air to escape, while opening the bottom sash brings in cooler air. During warmer months in Layton, make sure the sashes move freely and stay in place when opened. Lubricate tracks lightly if needed to maintain smooth operation and prevent sticking. Protecting against summer sun exposure can affect window frames and finishes over time. Check for fading, warping, or heat-related wear during summer. Keeping windows clean helps reflect sunlight and reduces buildup that can trap heat. Layton homeowners can also use blinds or curtains during peak sunlight hours to reduce heat gain and protect window components. Preparing for seasonal storms. Seasonal weather changes can bring rain and wind. Inspect the exterior caulking around your double-hung windows to ensure it's intact. Cracked or peeling caulk should be replaced to prevent water intrusion. Proper sealing protects Layton homes from moisture damage and helps maintain energy efficiency during changing weather conditions. Fall maintenance. For long-term performance. Fall is a great time to prepare windows for colder months ahead. Clean tracks, check balances, and make sure locks function properly. Test window operation to ensure both sashes move smoothly. For Layton homeowners, completing these tasks before winter helps avoid issues when windows are needed most for insulation. When to consider professional help. If you notice persistent drafts, difficulty opening or closing windows, or visible damage, professional inspection may be needed. Addressing problems early prevents further deterioration and ensures reliable performance. Keeping Layton homes comfortable year-round. Seasonal care is essential for maintaining double-hung windows in Layton's changing weather. With regular cleaning, inspections, and simple maintenance, homeowners can enjoy improved comfort, energy efficiency, and long-lasting window performance throughout every season.